David here, weekly wheel up. Today is 9th of March, 8 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning, so market's closed. Looking at the UK November contract, new crop 2019, yearly chart in front of us. We can identify market closing at 146. We're below the short-term SMA 30 of the monthly, preceding a two following monthly red candles. Let's pop down and we just note on this chart here we've got a falling stochastic well locked in going down at the present moment. Eyeball this target here. We look at the 60 SMA on the monthly coming in at 135, 138. Whole number key level would be 140. Let's look here. This is on the monthly chart. We can see the previous month here, big red candle here. We've got a bit of indecision candle here, start of the month, but two preceding firmly red candles there. Let's pop on the weekly. We can see here, identify this big red weekly candle here, end of February. Starting here, we had a little bit of a green one forming here as we formed last week, but a small candle. Let's pop down into the daily. We can see this price action here is holding below all the three moving average on this chart, the 60, 30 and the 10 being the green, still holding below it. Test a new low here and it's just hovering a little bit of sideways action pause here. Stochastic is showing back locked in below the lows at the present moment, so still looking for more downside at the present. We did look for an upwards bounce, but this was taken out not last week, week before. Let's just show you the price action we've had during the week. We can see Monday's candle here. We had a bit of reverse candle on Tuesday. Selling came back in on Wednesday and Thursday, and we ended the week here at 146. The low of the week was down here at 145. So looking for this 45 to be taken out, and then we're looking for a target figure where we could see that on a monthly bound here at 140. On the old crop, we can see here, just have a look, and this is the weekly chart. We can see that we had a negative week last week. We've now had a fair few red candles here continuing down. We closed at 159.50. Let's have a look, see what's happening on the daily. We can see that we do have a little bit of a bounce during the week to go up and test the 10 SMA, the green line on this chart. We can see, identify the stochastic as well locked in. All the moving averages are pointing down, well away from the 60 and the 30. So trend is definitely in place, falling down. Let's have a look at the price action during the week. What do we get? On Monday, we had a negative day, hovering around this low here on Tuesday. Had a reversal day on, went up to test 164, that got sold into again. Thursday was the day when we broke through and closed below the 160 here, this key level, and on Friday night we closed 159.55, a small candle still below the key level 160. So if we look on this, we haven't got a long on this chart here, we would see the market coming back to test this low here, down here, this level here, 150, another key level. Any bounce would be seen as a selling opportunity at the present moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll put an update this time next week.